uh, so this is going to be Libra almost personal reading. Okay, so all that I need to know about your person. Okay, so how is your person viewing you currently? How is your person viewing you currently? This card for that, please. With Ten of Swords, they feel like this connection was a very good connection, but they have hurt you. Okay, they view you as someone who has been betrayed or been let down or been hurt by them. Okay, with Two of Swords, they see you as someone who has gone through a lot thanks to them, and right now you are unsure whether you should stay open or closed off. A part of them feels that you are going to stay closed off, you are not going to stay open to them. Why would you stay open when someone has hurt you, right? So yes, one more card for how do they view the connection now? How do they truly view the connection? Okay. With Page of Pentacles, right now they still have that hope that communication is something that can still happen, or something that can still be open. Okay, with Seven of Pentacles, they haven't given up on the connection, that much I could tell you. With Page of Pentacles, they still have that hope that if they communicate, there is a slight chance that you might reply. Okay, however, you might not take them back as a partner, but you may stay open in terms of communication. Okay, they may also, for some of you there was an age gap. Okay, selected few, not all, selected few of you, there was an age gap where your person was younger to you or you were younger than your person. Okay, take what resonates. One more card. So how are they thinking about you now? How are they truly thinking about you now? With the Hierophant in the reverse, okay, they feel like they have lost an opportunity with you. Okay, with Hierophant here, I do not know if it fell in the reverse, it was at the sides. Okay, I take it upright, but I feel like they feel they have lost a chance with you in terms of commitment. Okay, please clarify the Hierophant card for me. Page of Pentacles, Hierophant. But with Star card, they are still giving that hope and faith alive that this could lead some way. A part of them still wants to believe that this is still on, like this connection is still is still worthy of going long term, is still something that could lead a forever happiness. Okay, with Queen of Wands, they want to take action. Okay, give me one more card as to like their feelings towards you. How do they truly feel for you now? How do they truly feel for you now? Okay, with the Hanged Man here, I definitely feel like this person was watching you from a distance. They were definitely stalking you. Okay, top card we have is the Magician card. So this person hasn't lost feelings for you. It is just that they chose to not reach out to you or communicate with you or take action in any which form. Okay, but I do feel with the Magician card, they are still interested in you. Bottom card is Two of Swords, but the problem was commitment. I believe you gave them an ultimatum, or indirectly you have mentioned that if your person cannot give you commitment, you are not open to this connection. Okay, and they know it, and that is why many of them haven't reached out. Okay, one card for how do they truly feel for you now, like what do they truly have for you, Libra. Next, let's take the next couple of days. Okay, we have the Six of Pentacles. Okay, top card, Ten of Pentacles. This was a very balanced connection in the past, but right now it fell in the reverse. Okay, right now it is all messed up. It is very much something that looks very difficult to get balanced again, where someone needs to compromise, someone needs to do the extra effort or the put in the extra work in order to get this connection balanced again. Okay, top card is 10 of pentacles, bottom card is ace of pentacles. So I believe you are very serious about them in the past. Okay, right now with the 10 of pentacles, it can still lead to a committed relationship. However, right now, I believe that your person needs to put in that extra effort. If they do not, then nothing is going to happen. I believe you have taken a step back, but it's it makes sense, right? When someone is not like willing to put in that effort, someone is not giving you that commitment, someone is not treating you like a partner, why the fuck would you stay loyal? Why the fuck would you keep yourself in this connection, when you feel single? Okay, when you have been that loyal person to them, when you have rejected other offers for this connection, why the fuck would you still be a part of it if it hasn't given you much, right? And right now your person sees that, right now they feel like you might not be open to them, and why should you, right? So one card for how do they think of you when they miss you, like when they want to talk to you, how they truly feel. Okay, we have two cards. We have three of swords and chariot card. They miss you terribly. Okay, this has come similar for the almost personal reading, where your person misses you, feels heartbroken without you, but still hasn't reached out. Okay, so what is currently blocking the connection? If we may know, spirit, what is currently blocking the connection? Ace of Cups, the Moon, Knight of Wands. I believe, take it as it resonates. Okay, I feel someone definitely got in the way. The Moon is about secrets. The Moon is about the unknown. Ace of Cups is always new love, right? Bottom card, Eight of Swords. Top card, Knight of Wands. Okay, I believe for some of you, someone definitely got in the way. Okay, your partner, that is your person, could have had another option, someone who was much easier for them in terms of relationship, someone who felt very similar on a very practical note, like someone very balanced, someone who they do not have to put in a lot of effort that like they have to put in with you, and they could have had their door open for this person. Okay, the reason why they haven't reached out is because there is another option present. Okay, please clarify the Ace of Cups for me. Please clarify the Ace of Cups for me. Yeah, options were definitely getting in the way. There was major confusion. Your person was confused whether you or them. In the past, your person gave up on you or walked away. Top card. Yeah, I still see your person juggling. They haven't made a move yet. I still feel they have feelings for you, but yes, they have another option present. For many of you, I feel there is a very much a third party interference that has messed up with your connection. Okay, like one card, what do they truly want with you now? What do they truly want with you? Okay, currently with Eight of Swords, they do not know what they want with you. Let me be very honest. Okay, they are still very stuck. They are overthinking. They feel like they cannot take fast action towards you. Top card, with the Fool card, they wish to, but they are still very much like controlled by their fears, their insecurities, their main blockages. That is just thoughts, just random negative thoughts. Okay, yeah, with the Tower card here, I definitely feel that this person feels like if they return back to you, what if the cycle repeats? What if it goes back to that old relationship? There's there's major imbalance, there's this clash of egos. So I believe the reason why they haven't reached out, one is there is a third party interference. I won't say involvement, but yes, your person has options, and I have clarified it twice. If this reading has resonated with you so far, it is your story. Okay, with Four of Pentacles, right now, I would say that your person will reach out. However, the outcome is still unknown. Okay, how it goes depends on how you guys carry it out. Okay, like if you guys just accept them back, chances are they'll still keep the third party around. Okay, they should know what they should choose now. Okay, you can't force them or you can't manipulate them. I have many subscribers, many clients who come to me and they want me to tell them how to get their lover back. Darling, I am not black magician. Okay, I tell you what I see in terms of tarot, what you could do in terms of yourself, not what you could do to manipulate into getting a person back. If your person wants back, they will be back. If you do not show them that you are worthy of that partner that they deserve, you're just gonna keep yourself open, no matter how much they hurt you, no matter how much they make you go through. That doesn't make them respect you. That is just them believing and them having that idea that no matter what they do, you're always going to stay open, and they're basically going to lose interest for you. If you are always going to manipulate them into getting back with them, that doesn't help either, right? Just stay stuck to yourself, just love yourself, know what you're worth. If you are in a connection with someone who's not loving you back, why the fuck would you even want them back in your life? That makes no sense. Think about it. Okay, one more card. Okay, with Three of Wands, you are definitely waiting for your person to reach out. Okay, you are waiting for your person to communicate with you. Okay, and here is where the reading ends. Okay, so let's take love messages. Like, what are you wanting from your person? Let's take what are you wanting from your person. You want them to give you a serious offer. Okay, you want them to choose you. You want them to fight for them. You want them to fight for you, not them. Fight for you, fight for the connection, put an effort, make you feel like they want you. Okay, with King of Pentacles, you want stability, you want commitment. I do not care what you say in the comment section. This is what comes for you guys. Okay, but what do they want from you? Like what do they want with you? I still feel your person isn't in a position to offer you much right now. Okay, this for the next couple of days. So don't freak out. Even they want commitment, but I believe that right now they are not in a position to think about it. They are still having options. They'll want your attention from now, for now. Okay. Last card with Temperance card, they also want to balance this connection out. Okay, but what about the third party that needs to sort out, right? My intention was not to freak you out. Okay, my intention here and always will be to read my cards, to respect my guides that are showing me certain storyline here, and that is something I'm going to tell you out there. Okay, how you take it is your problem. Okay, I'm not the ones that gives you any false hope. If I say something good, I'll speak about it. If I do not, I won't speak about it. With Seven of Pentacles, there will be some stagnant phase going on in this connection. There will be some waiting phase where you both wait on each other. But yes, I believe your partner is having option. Okay, yes, there was an interference. They kept themselves some which way open towards that connection. Yes, they considered it. It is not like they were fucking loyal to you and they said, "Oh no, like already with someone else." No, they thought about it. I'm not saying they had sex with them or something. They thought about it and they're still thinking about it. They haven't made their mind. If they had made their mind and they had chosen you, they would have been with you, darling. Okay, so take it very practically. Okay, with Queen of Swords, Four of Swords, and Three of Pentacles, I believe by the end of the week, that is by Sunday, I believe there will be communication. Right now, bottom card is Three of Pentacles, top card is Page of Cups. I believe many of you will get communication. Okay, but these are general readings. It will not resonate with each and every one of you. It may resonate with like 60% of you. Okay, for those who it has resonated, please do consider hitting the like button. It greatly helps my channel. Let me take some love messages that you need to know. Your partner right now is saying this to you: yes, I did you wrong. I will regret it for life. Okay, yes, I try to stay away, but I can't. My wrong choices led me nowhere. Okay, and on top of their mind, can we still stay friends? So even though there's this breakup phase going on, your person doesn't want to lose you as a friend. Can we still stay friends is on the top of their mind. I know you're hurting following you through a fake account. So your person might very well be following you through a fake account. So this is how a soulmate extended works. Yeah, there are few more cards in terms of guidance. Okay, what you need to do, whether you should quit, whether you should stay. If you stay, what you can expect, that sort of thing. Okay, this is soulmate extended. It's up for $75. All those who are wanting to book one can book one. I only have 5 slots remaining for the next couple of weeks. Okay, there's also soulmate reading present, and there is this almost personal reading. It's a short reading about your person, but do not expect much. When you're purchasing a $35 reading, do not expect a $75 reading in return. Okay, it's a very short 10 minute video. I know people purchase a $35 reading and they send me like 10 questions and they want to know about their person, everything. Please be respectful. Okay, I'm giving you my energy and I expect whatever I'm putting out there, like whatever dollars in return. Okay, so if you're purchasing a small reading that is about your person, it's just going to tell you about their feelings, how they think of you, what they might want with you in the near future, that is for the couple of months, and their love messages. That is it, nothing much in detail, no. Okay, so yes, thank you so much, and please do consider hitting the like button. That greatly helps. I know many of you do like, but some of you do not. So if you could still manage to just tap that like button, it would greatly help me. When I do this readings, you may not understand this, and it might sound very weird to you guys, but when I'm doing this reading, I'm giving you my energy, and when you give your energy through likes, we are connected, and it helps me read your energy better, your reading better, if that makes sense to you. If it doesn't make sense to you, no problem. Okay, thank you so much, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.